So these essential oils is clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, rosemary. Once again, clove for people that came late, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. So I can't show you how to put this together. I can only tell you, unless you're on my email list, I've already sent it out to people this morning how to put it together. That's what my private email allowed me to do. I can show and tell over there because they tell me I can't teach like that on none of these platforms no more because Kareem is too big. I'm doing pretty decent according to them. I thought I was doing poor because I'm only getting a couple thousand per video. Doing pretty good according to them. It's funny. So I want you to actually, so for a 2-ounce bottle, this is what I made today. This is what I made today. So a lot of you individuals, you know, I want you to press 1 if you're ready for me to go through this recipe. Some of you that got it today, you already know what's up. And then those of you that already been there today, you know, I'm going to the more details of what things that it can help you with. Okay, so you can understand and play better, so you won't be lost. Okay, cool. I got people that wrote ones and need. Okay, cool. Well, cool. Everybody's paying attention. All right, this is the first one, clove. Write down next to it that you're going to be putting in we're dealing with a 2-ounce bottle. You can find these 2-ounce bottles on Amazon. They'll sell you the actual top and the bottle on Amazon. You can get like a bottle of 6 of these bad boys. Sometimes they like to give you 12. It's okay to get them. Go ahead and invest in yourself because you can have and label them and have things on there so you can know what they are. So you can put your own apothecary together, your own medicine stuff together, formulas, infusions, and all that. This is what I'm gonna help you do. You know what I'm saying? This is what I do. This is my magic. This is what I like to live. This is my playground. So a 2-ounce bottle, you don't have to get a big bottle like that. Some of you guys just want a 1-ounce bottle. When I do this recipe, just half it if you're gonna get 1-ounce bottles. But I'm teaching 2-ounce bottles. So write down on your piece of paper, 2-ounce amber bottle. Your amber bottle, you can get amber, that's with the A-M-B-E-R, amber bottle, glass bottle. So you can get these bad boys brown, green, or cobalt blue, or just straight up blue. Brown, green, or blue. The standard one is amber/brown, okay? So make sure you write down 2-ounce bottle because this is what we're talking about today. We ain't talking about no 1 ounce. We ain't talking about no 10 millimeter. Ain't no 20, no 30. We talking about no 5 millimeter. We're talking about a whole 60 millimeter, which is 2 ounces. I know my millimeters. I know my measurements. All right. So now that you got that one, the first one, since you guys ready to go, is you're going to actually don't fill it up with your carrier oil first. I'll go into the carrier oils after that. But your first one you're going to use is clove. Okay. We're talking about clove, but how many drops? You're using 80 drops. Woo, that's a lot. Yes, it is. I'm giving you the exact one that they put together. All right. I want to make sure you understand 80 drops of clove. So wherever you buy your essential oils at, you're going to have this bad boy open. Ain't nothing going to be up in it. This one here got some juices and berries in it already. And you're going to just count it. And boom, 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 boom. You're going to do your thing. You're going to put 80 drops when you're dealing with a 2-ounce bottle. Okay. Want to make sure you got that. Press 2 if I can move to the next essential oil. Okay. Press 2 if I can move to the next essential oil. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Okay. To your lady with power. We got the 2s right here. Good. We got 2 coming through. All the 2s. Cool. The next one is lemon essential oil. 60 drops. Yeah. You got to count them. This is how you make them, baby. This is how you do it. 60 drops of essential oil. All right. See, that's what that regimen of that one is, of this formula. 60 drops of a lemon essential oils. 80 of the clove, 60 drops of the lemon when it comes to a 2-ounce bottle. All right. Press 3 if I can move to the next one, because I want to keep going. I want to make sure you get the get down on what you're supposed to do and how you use it. All right. Press 3. TikTok is faster because the internet is faster. Cool. All right. Now we go. There go YouTube. Delayed. There they go. 3. All right. The next one is cinnamon essential oil. Cinnamon essential oils, you want to use 30 drops. So that was the clove. This was the lemon. Now we on the cinnamon. All right. Cinnamon essential oils, you're going to be using 30 drops. 30 drops of cinnamon essential oil. All right. All right. Good. All right. Press 4 if I can move to the next essential oil, which is eucalyptus. Press 4 if I can move to the next one. Keep it going. Let's keep it going. All right. Got my TikTok people there. Okay, cool. Somebody pressing 3. What you pressing 3 for, man? You pressing 2 for. We on number 4. Okay, I'll go over these again so you guys can make sure you got it. But I want to make sure I get through these right now. So eucalyptus, 20 drops. 20 drops in this formula of 2-ounce bottle. It's going to be from eucalyptus, okay? 20 drops. That's how much supposed to go in there. Write it down. You're supposed to be having your pen and paper right now in this fire formula, because this is fire. Y'all think it's a joke, and I'm going to tell you how much powerful it is in a minute. Okay, press 5. If I can go to the next essential oil, then I'll review it and say the essential oils numbers again. Press 5. Boom. I got people moving quick over here with TikTok. They ain't playing. Okay, I see the dove fly that you talking about 3 and you talking about 4. We're going to do it one more time. So I think y'all messing with me, just putting them 4s up. Y'all messing with me. y'all playing. Because y'all need to catch up. Okay? With these 3s and 4s. Rosemary, you're going to be using 10 drops. That's the formula. 10 drops with rosemary essential oil in the bottle. So all these are going to be combined. Okay? 10 drops. Now, I'm going to go through them one more time. In this 2-ounce bottle, you're going to use first 80 drops of clove. Those of you that didn't get it, I'm saying it one more time, 80 drops of clove. The next one was lemon, 60 drops of lemon in this 2-ounce bottles. After you're done with the 80 drops of clove, 60 drops of lemon. Write it down, okay? Cinnamon, 30 drops of cinnamon, okay? That goes into the blend after you finish with the clove and the lemon, okay, in your 2-ounce bottle, okay? Eucalyptus, 20 drops for those that came in late, 20 drops, all right, of essential oil in your 2-ounce bottles after you're done with the other 3. And the last one is rosemary, 10 drops in your 2-ounce bottle, 10 drops. Okay, press 6 if you understand, and I can tell you what you do after that. Okay, press 6, press 6. Yeah, yeah, press 6. All right, cool, cool. We got some 6s here. Now, listen, back in the day, they mixed it with, some of them did vinegar and some did an actual carrier oil of, I'm going to give y'all the game right here. I'm going to give y'all the game. When individuals like us natural healers are actually doing a carrier, you can write this down on your piece of paper, put down carrier oil, because that's what goes on top after you put the drops in there. You got to have a carrier oil. Some of y'all don't like all different types of carrier oils. I'm going to tell you my go-to. My go-to is jojoba oil. A lot of queens, y'all know what's up with this jojoba oil because y'all mix and blends when y'all doing stuff with your hair treatment. Or you go see your beautician and they be using their little mixes. They be, best believe, they be using some jojoba oil. That's my go-to when I'm doing blends. And my other go-to is virgin olive oil. It's a little thicker, but that's my other go-to. Okay, so, but some people use coconut fractional oil, and it's not coconut like this. That's thick and it's creamy. Not that. Coconut fractional oil is real thin. I suggest you don't use that. Some of it is say coconut MCT fractional. Just don't use it, but that is a carrier oil. Another one is grapeseed oil people use, but grapeseed oil has a smell. I don't like using that one. Jojoba oil is really good for people that have sensitive skin on their face and in their body. So you ladies, that's why you see jojoba oil always around. But this is my go-to because it's good for ladies and men at the same time. But if you want to just go with the universal, a lot of herbologists like using olive oil. So you just take this and now you know your carrier oils that you could use. Some people use a carrier oil like vinegar. Some people use a carrier oil like vegetable glycerin. If they're going to be taking something internal, we ain't talking about that. And some people use a carrier oil like vinegar. But we talking about an oil carrier in this base right here. So then on top of that, I got to be careful. I forgot. I'm up here showing the actual formula. They're going to hit me with a strike. My bad. So you want to pour it on top of that inside the bottle. Press 6 if you understand that. You got to put your carrier oil inside on top of that till you fill it up. All right. Press 6 if you understand that. Okay. I don't know why, Glenn, you keep pushing 4, man. You keep messing with me, man. You behind, man. You got to watch this again. Okay, good. Now, once you fill it up, this is how you blend it. It's called a percussion in the herbal world, where they taught me in all the herbal courses that I took. And now in the doctor's program, natural healers program, all these ones right here, this is the methodology. You percussion it at least 40 times, like a drum, okay? 3 times. So it's not difficult, but you don't want to be like slow. No, you got to have a little speed with it. And if you got sensitive palms, ladies, put a little towel on top of it. It won't hurt, okay? But regardless, you know me, I just straight like this, but regardless, you do it like this and boom, you just count at least 40 to 60 times. They're slipping. That's about 50. That's it. About 40 something. That's it. It's not that serious, and that's how it's blending. Some of y'all want to do it again, and it ain't gonna hurt it. It'll mix like that. That's the secret on how natural healers do their thing when they blend it. You know, oh, why you telling everything? We ain't gatekeeping over here, okay? Yeah, you will learn this in my herbalist course and whatnot, but you'll learn a whole lot more in there as well, and it's all in one area. But yes, that's how you percussion. Now you're done. Now, how do you use it? Okay, press 7 if you're ready for me to show you how to use it. It's not really that rocket science and whatnot. It ain't hard, but some people mess up. All right, press 7. We already 45 minutes in. We're about to wrap it up. Yeah, we're about to wrap it up.